Experience business is what you want to do. You want your experience paydex to look like gold, platinum, whatever it is, the big thing is these days. That's the one you really want to concentrate on. Man, we got to learn about taxes. We got to learn about finances. We got to learn about business credit.
Hi there. My name is Herman Maroney III. I am an SBA award-winning coach, entrepreneur, and educator. I'm here to share with you a powerful tool that'll help you take control of your credit and your financial future. Now, do you struggle with understanding your credit score and how it affects your finances? Are you tired of the manual, time-consuming process of calculating and improving your credit score? I have the perfect solution for you. Introducing DIYCreditOptimized.AI, the DIY credit optimization tool that will help you to repair, optimize, and raise your credit score in no time at all. DIYCreditOptimized.AI uses cutting-edge technology to analyze your credit history and provide personalized recommendations for your improvement of your credit profile. You can dispute any account on all three bureaus, including late payments, repossessions, charge-offs, judgments, inquiries, and most importantly, bankruptcies. Say goodbye to manual credit score calculations and hello to accurate, real-time insights. Optimize your credit score and unlock the doors to better loans, lower interest rates, and a brighter financial future. And this is the best part. You can do it all yourself with our easy-to-use platform, starting at just $49.95 per month. I'm going to tell you, don't wait any longer. Take control of your credit and your financial future today. Visit DIYCreditOptimized.AI to sign up now. Thank you for watching and looking forward to helping you with your financial future.